Hey everyone, it's Alyssa Graves with Better Homes and Gardens Valley Partners here with Matt Wieder.
Hey, what's going on?
It's so exciting to be back here. Thanks for having me again.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming back.
I think today we're going to chat a little bit about, May going to June, how to be competitive,
Yes.
Some creative ideas. I know you have sat down with me a handful of times,
Mhm.
more than
Yeah.
the best times that I have won offers to get creative.
Yes. We
you've
got to
been
do
great.
it.
Yeah.
It's that time of year where we're getting into summer now.
Mm-hmm.
Spring kind of is come and gone, a little bumpy, but summertime's always people want to move in between schools. So So what I can kind of go over today, which would be appraisal waivers.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes you can get, depending on your down payment. So if you have like 10 or 20% down, conventional loan, you can get a waiver.
Yeah.
You might not need an appraisal, so that'd be strong for an offer.
Oh, that's the best.
You know what I mean? As a seller, you would be like, hey, listen,
Yeah.
I don't need an appraisal.
Mm-hmm.
That's huge. And appraisal gap coverage.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of people don't know about appraisal gap coverage and what that is and how that works. So you guarantee the seller a certain amount, like if it doesn't appraise, and that's guaranteed money in their pocket.
Right.
So a lot of people don't understand where if you have 30% down, maybe put 20% down and give the other 10% for under appraisal gap coverage.
Right.
If you're okay, I always tell people your all-in number.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're okay spending X amount of money, trust your professionals to allow us to use that money and keep your payment where you want it, and then we'll get you into that property. So that gap coverage helps out tremendously. We're seeing that as we go in the summer.
Do you always see like a certain amount does better than, I'm obviously more than less, but
I do. And that's where usually a substantial amount that it's not just like 2,000 or 3,000 because you see it with escalation clauses and stuff. So a good amount where you feel like the top offer might be and where you are, that's where you want to see that gap coverage. So as you get higher in price, that could be higher.
Right.
Things like that. Yeah. What about on your side too? When you've had great success this year so far, getting families into homes. Like, what are some ideas that you have as well? Getting creative with things. What are you seeing? Writing the offers.
Escalation, addendum that can help sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Different things. Transfer tax.
Yes.
If your buyers have the means to pay your commission as a buyer agency.
Yeah.
There's different things, and during those buyer consultations, it's so important to review all that. So, we can get creative to be competitive because it's so important. It's not just always about the purchase price. There's so much more that goes into it that, not everybody always sees.
What are you seeing too when you're writing your offers on like contract close dates? Are those is that important as well, do you think? I mean, being flexible in that as a buyer?
Totally. Yeah. I mean, I think it's always great to know what the seller's looking for and what's important to them. I think that, definitely helps us, make that offer attractive to them. So if we know they're looking for a quick closing, or if they're looking for a specific date, then, we can reach out to you and say, hey, is this date doable? And,
or a long one too. Maybe you're building a house.
Right. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Just to be, accommodating to what the seller needs is definitely helpful.
Okay. Well, thanks for asking me those questions. And Ray, so guys, Alyssa, all of her contacts at the end of the video. Getting creative as we get into summer. It's going to be more and more. It's going to get crazy out there, guys, just like we did. But having a trusted professional, a team on your side, get creative, trust what they're going to do with their money, appraisal gap coverages, waivers, commissions, transfer taxes, timelines, all good stuff. So just reach out and let us know how we can help. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right. See you guys.